I have decided to replace my stock Miata steering wheel with an aftermarket one, and to do that I got a short hub from NRG, here it is, and a quick release. Now I quickly discovered that this wonderful little short hub has a flaw in the design, and it appears to be machined incorrectly, and it's a problem with all of them, every single one. To show you where the problem is, let me show you how turn signal mechanism works. So here's the stock, and here's the part that actually cancels it out. When you want to make a right turn and you turn the steering wheel, it goes past that point right here. When you move the steering wheel back, it cancels the turn signal. The same if you make a left turn. You turn the steering wheel, and when you turn it back, it cancels out the turn signal. Now, the problem is that this NRG short hub has two holes that are made at the wrong position. If you take a look at this plastic part, you see two pins sticking out. That's what goes into the short hub. See? Like so. Now, the core of the problem is that NRG, for whatever reason, decided to machine them instead of left to right, they machined them top to bottom. See, this is the top. Here's the white dot that designates it as the top center. So, if we want to mount the short hub onto the Miata, we need to turn this guy like so. However, this creates a problem. If we want to make a turn and we use the turn signal as we should, when we make that turn, we need to go a lot further in order to engage the cancellation mechanism. And that's a pretty serious problem for Miata, because you rarely use that much steering input when you drive on the street. Maybe if you were making a U-turn, or if you were, trying to find a spot in a parking lot, perhaps. But if you're just driving down the road and you need to make a left or right turn, centered 90-degree turn, you're actually not using that much input. You would go, maybe 45 degrees, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. But when the pins are in the wrong position, this part right here, this notch, it never makes it even close to the cancellation mechanism. So there you have it, folks. Bad design.